Hello guys, now we are playing Birdie Bird. So we will do it. We will play classic mode. So this is no hat. Yes. So my score is 3. We will try to beat this score. Yes, we have broke it. Now this game is only 9.5 MB, so you can check it out. It is very fun. I see. This is very fun. We will try to make it 100 in today's video. We are at 40 now. Oh no, guys. Now we got no. So we will take this hat and try to score 100. Guys, let me lock in. So we are going to beat the best score, that is 40. We broke it. Now we will try to hit 50 and then oh no, guys, 45. If you subscribe, then I will do better in the next video and we will continue it. I will try to do 75 in this video and we will try to do 100 in another video. So please hit the like and subscribe button, please. I will make Among Us video also later, but now we will do this kind of games. So yes, so we are going to beat the record. I think how much is the record? I don't know. My English is very bad, you know guys. I'm stuttering. So we made till 50. Now we will make 75, I guess. Guys, 61. Guys, please wish me luck, please. We will beat this. I'm positive. Please, guys, please. 8. Why am I doing this, man? So if we go to score 100, then we can unlock this hat. We need to go to 100. Yes. So we are in 10, 14, 15, 16, 16. The opposite of best. Man, this is just crazy, man. I don't know how we will react this. So guys, we will restart again. Now we should make it till 100. Let's try. Yes. So we are here. So that's it for today, guys. In another video we will try to hit 100. So bye bye.